Hello everyone, my name is Leslie Akhtar and today our content is all about giving examples of pattern in nature. The pattern of nature is symmetry. So symmetry is when the both side is same. The both side of the shape is the same. So the first example I can give is myself. Second is glasses. As you can see, it is the same. The second pattern of nature is spiral. This is the sample. A spiral is a curved pattern that focuses in a center point and a series of circular shapes and revolve around it. Next is meander. A meander is one of a series of regular sinuous curves, bends, loops, turns, or windings in a channel of a river, stream, or other watercourse. Next pattern of nature is tessellation. An example of tessellation. It is a flat surface, the covering of a plane using one or more geometric shapes called tiles, with no overlaps and no gaps. The next pattern in nature is wave. An example of pattern, wave. The next pattern of in nature is foam. Foam is an object formed by trapping packets of gas in a liquid or solid. A bat sponge and the head on a glass or a beer are examples of foams. This is the best sample of foam. The next is cracks. Let me show you our cracks. Are linear opening that form materials to release stress. The next pattern in nature is fractals. The next pattern in nature is spots. This is the spot. Maxi, ali. The next sample is stripes. We don't have an example stripe at home, but I can give you an example, a picture that forms a stripe. The next pattern in nature is bubbles. The last one pattern in nature is fracture. That's all for today. I hope you enjoy my video. All the patterns in nature are found at home. Thank you.